Innovation, exploration, creativity, commitment, conceptualization, solutions, ideas, execution, delivery. ATL, Anjani Technoplast Limited, innovating solutions. Driven by its commitment to excel, ATL is a premier plastic products and services company in India. Established in 1988, the company has grown over the years by leaps and bounds. Managed by professionals from the best of Indian institutes, ATL is poised to become a leader in plastic solutions. Experienced with Fortune list organizations, ATL has specialized in the areas of extrusion, thermoforming, injection molding, sheet metal components, ballistic protections, CAD/CAM designing, CNC machining center, machine manufacturing, and mold making. Providing complete solutions in the areas of its core competency and strength. Molding plastic to the customer's need, ATL has the capability to deal with the most stubborn and high engineering plastics like polycarbonate, HDPE, HIPS, PP, ABS, etc. Challenges are a way of work here at ATL. ATL produces a wide range of products in the area of material handling, merchandising applications, gifts and toys, utility items, artifacts and domes, packaging solutions, products for the white goods industry, products for auto industry, and sheets. The entire manufacturing and design facilities of ATL are ISO 9000-2001 certified to give consistent quality of products and services. All under one roof, the company can boast of state-of-the-art facilities like CNC, CAD, CAM, computerized machines for extrusion and thermoforming, LAN, Internet, Intranet, 100% resource backup like power and water, efficient and eco-friendly waste disposal, etc. The core strength of the company lies in its human resource. The ATL team showcases the best of talent, experience and expertise. ATL offers its clients a dynamic, vibrant, flexible and unique work culture. For any incoming requirement, a team consisting of members from designing, engineering, production, maintenance, customer sales service and marketing sit together and work out strategies specific to each client. This cross-functional team monitors the process for the project in hand at every step, which ultimately results in a satisfied customer. The company has an impressive client list of the bigwigs in the industry. Improving upon existing product and services range and striving for new innovations is a philosophy ATL firmly stands by. True to its name, the company is progressing resolutely in the areas of aircraft, space applications, ultra-lightweight protection for police and defense, and specialized solutions for typical applications, making efforts to make India self-reliant in plastic processing technology. ATL also has the distinguished laurel of being recognized by Walt Disney & Company and are also the sole licensee for their thermoformed product range in India. When an idea reaches the door of ATL, it is a rare occasion of it not becoming a reality. Designing for a better future and a better world. ATL, innovating solutions.